Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java. So Java programming of class number 1. So in this class, I will going to show you Java JDK development kit. So JDK is very important when you execute your Java code. So now let's see. First step, I will show you setup for a Windows. After that, you see Java JDK download and install. After that, why need JDK? Actually, what is JDK? Now we are going to show its details. So you look, this is a picture. We have a 3 parts. So now let's see what I am understand to you each single part. So first part, you see this is a Java development kit or JDK. So JDK is to convert your source code into a format that the Java runtime environment, which we are call it short from JRE, can execute. Okay, and the next part is the Java runtime environment JRE, an interpreter Java a compiler. When you build any project, then you need to type lot of code. So these code are execute or interpreter Java compiler. So now let's see what is the next part. So Java Virtual Machine, which is JVM, supporting file and code classes. So you know that Java work every single file, they have every single separate classes. So class is very important when you build any project. Okay, so now let's move on. Actually, how can I check our computer we have already JDK installed or not, and how to download and how to install. Now let's see everything's details. So my dear friends, you see this is my window. So first we check our Windows, it's installed or not. I mean the JDK installed or not. Okay, defaultly it's maybe I'm not sure actually. Is some computer they have already installed or some computer is there is no. So now let's check this JDK. Just type here command. Okay, look, command prompt, just click on this and type here Java -C, enter. Look, the Java kits is not installed available here, so is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so what I will going to do, so now I need to download JDK and then I need to install that. Okay, so first we open any browser, okay, and search here Java JDK. Okay, so first link you go there, and this is a Oracle. Okay, this is a official website, and down here, so you look the 3 operating system. So each single system is single file. So I will choose this Windows option, and yes, its extension is exe. This extension we should be download that. Just click on this. The download is start. Just we are wait for a download. After then, I will show you how to install that software. Okay, the download is complete. Now we'll go so. Double click. Next. Next. So you look, development kits successfully installed. Close this. So now we need to set up an environment. So now search this option here and type here environment. And look here, edit environment variable. Then you see. So now we get a problem. 3 option is hide. We can't do anything from this dialog box. So we need to choose another option. Don't panic. It's so easy. Now let's go on control panel. Okay, the control panel, and choose a system. Just wait, I minimize this and go to system, and the left hand row you see that advanced settings, and this is advanced, and you see this is the environment variable. Click on this and you see this option is work. So first we need to set up a new variable. So click on this. I give a Java variable name. So Java underscore home, and I give a value which is a path. So file path. We need to open a file and find out is this one, and program file and Java and JDK 21 and this file path. I need to set up this value. Okay, so click on this and copy, Ctrl C, and go to this option and paste the path link. Okay, and then okay, and go to the below and scroll, select a path and edit, and the new. And now we need to set up another path. Let's move on, and you look the bin. Click on this and copy this path. Ctrl C. So this file path I set up here. Okay, V. And then another option also I added that. So click on this new and go to the file and local disk file and the common file and Oracle and Java path. So this file path I need to set up. So copy it and go and add new and paste, and then okay, and last one okay. Okay, I have complete Java environment setup. Now we need to check our Java environment setup is correct or not. So now we need to verify that. So from here you can do it. So click on this and search const, enter, and type here Java space version and the enter. Look, the Java environment setup successful. You see the Java version and the runtime environment. So I cut this. So my JDK installed, everything successful. This video is enough for today, and the next video I will show you how to create a project so easily. So you know that we need another application which is NetBeans. So NetBeans is an application. There I used to easily type Java code. So waiting for the next video. Have a good day.